I'm gonna tell you something. I just made both of these songs today. One of them is called Power Trip, and the other one is the Cashing Out Freestyle. I have not had enough time to practice, and I just made both of these songs today.
Right.
These are the last pieces that I can get, so if y'all can bear with me, I very much appreciate it.
New joint.
Come on, I got it.
I need an app. A bad pod.
New exclusive.
Alright, we need a new MC.
Payback.
You can sing the whole song, man. That's up to you. This is called Power Trip. This to anybody that gets the power and they lose their mind and they look down on everybody else like they don't know where they came from.
Yeah, you know song, y'all.
Yeah, some people hate, I'm just stuck in amazement like a good citizen, trapped in the cages. I'm in the library, I'm reading all the pages about how the people rose through the rankings. They got famous, became an asshole, and gave people more shit than an anus. To the top is where my aim is. I see my leaders tried to play me like I was brainless, and those folks halfway up the ladder tried to treat me like I didn't even matter. So I'm coming from the bottom, because once I catch them tripping, bitching, and slipping on the money-making mission, I got them, because hold up, I wonder why they hate me, huh? Because they know what I don't know what I see, huh? Because before you was rich, you was just like me. Hey, I tried to be nice, but they not being right. So I had to get worse, like my second verse. Check it out. Okay. When they power trip, they fall from grace. So when they do fall, I hope they land on their face. Land in the same space that they vacate. When I had nothing left and I was gonna meet my fate, now I turned into something great. I came to rock the world like a meteor straight from outer space. Say all bent out of shape, and this is food for thought, so I make you a plate and set your ass straight. I need dead presidents like Lorenz Tate. I'm not settling for less, I need a 10 rate. I need Washingtons, Lincolns, Hamiltons, Jacksons, Grants, and every Ben Frank straight to the bank.
How about that, man?
I can work with for right now, but thank you for coming out. I appreciate it.
Okay, all right. Y'all understand the last part of that rap?
We got wrong with that Nina. Oh, I said we got wrong with that Nina.
Y'all know that last part of that rap? He's talking about dollars, fives, and Benjamins and all that. But no, he ain't even mentioned that. Bro, he stopped at fives. He's taking it wherever he can go. Damn.